2016 Ford F150, 2.7 V6 high pressure fuel pump has been replaced. Fuel pump control module, this dude, been replaced by the customer. Crank no start, fuel rail pressure codes. You can dance around all over the internet for answers on this. The fastest tip and trick I can give: get your wiring diagram and try to force feed voltage or use the scanner and activate the fuel pump on the low pressure side. Disconnect the line. If you don't have any fuel coming out of your low pressure side, obviously that's a problem. I dropped the tank, power probed the pump directly to the pump. Pump was froze up, put a new pump in it. Every code's gone, and she's running. I don't know if you could hear it fart, but it's got a bad turbo, but it's running. So check your low pressure fuel side. It'll work.